Hi, and welcome back to C1Risk training. We're in the enterprise module today, and we're looking at assets, and we're going to show you how to set up your different asset types. So very, very simple process. So we always try to talk about the how and the why in our trainings. So the why here is because we want you to know which assets are in scope for risk management and to divide those out by types. So at C1Risk, we follow this process of assets, risk, controls, and issues. So what are the assets that you have in scope for risk management? What are the risks that are associated to them? And what are the controls and or issues that you have in place? So controls to actually prevent the risk, and issues that are still escaping you that need to be managed. So first thing then we want to do with our asset directory or inventory, if you want to call it that, is actually segment it by the different types. So you see we've got some different types listed along here. So if we want to add additional types as an administrator, we simply go to our administration little cog here. We're going to select assessment types. You'll see what you've already got listed, and then you can do a simple lookup and just find whatever you need. So I'm just going to look for certificates. I think I already have that. But so you can do a keyword search, as you can see, or you can just scroll through the list until you find it, maybe change the list so you can see more, and just take whatever you're looking for. Okay, so I'll just add this. Let's see, let's add compliance assets here, and we just click apply. And now you'll see in your asset directory, compliance has been added. And then the next thing we're going to do, of course, is under these different asset types is we'll add all of our applications. In this case, all of the different assets that are relevant to these associated types. Now, one last thing to note is that each of these records, here we have if we go into the details section, we can actually configure the fields in these different records for you. So if you want to add a model or serial number or any type of information, maybe the cost or spend budget related to that asset, all of these records can have fields added or taken away from them, and we'll help you configure those. It's a simple JSON file, and we have a JSON training in our enterprise assets training modules. Or you can just contact your account manager or support at c1risk.com at any time to do that if you're a little afraid to use JSON until you've gone through the training. But it is a very simple process and very, very easy to do. All right, well, that wraps it up for asset types. So again, we're going to go into this asset directory. This is one of the first steps you'll do in C1Risk. Specify all of your different asset types. Use the lookup to add them in the administration of asset types, or add new ones through your JSON files and through that training, and then you're off to the races. Okay, great. Thanks very much.